Let's create blurry glass effect using Canva. This is the image I'm going to create. First, go to Canva. Type Instagram post. So since I had already typed, this option is the Instagram post. Select it. Create a blank. Select this option, create a blank Instagram post. We will be creating this same blurry effect. Type scenery in the search option. Select photos. In the search, type scenery. One can search any photos. I have selected this photo. Drag it to the empty space so that acts as a background. This is a free image. So if you are using Canva, not Pro version, then you can select this image. Otherwise, we can select any image which has got Pro. The crown will be seen at the bottom if it is a Canva Pro version. So if you are using Canva Pro version, you can use like this images. Now getting back. Now select this photo again. Just click on it. The image is created. There are two images, one in the background and one in the foreground. Now select elements from this panel. Type frame. We'll select a frame that will act as a blurry glass effect. Select this. It is advisable to select a rectangular frame. Now we will have to drag this image into the frame. Just drag it. Once the photo is inside the frame, double click on the frame. Now stretch the image till it matches the size of the image behind. Just drag right corner first till it reaches the top of the image, of this image, background image, and then the opposite corner, just drag this till this blue line reaches the bottom of this background. So now the foreground and the background images have aligned properly. Click on Done. Now we'll edit this image. Click on Edit Image option. A menu appears. Click on See All. Now select this blur option and increase the bar to 25. The image is blurred now. Now click on this plus sign, that is, it duplicates the image. Click on it once. Now select the color option over here and select white color. Go to position, click on center, then middle. Now the white frame is in center. Click, this is transparency option, click on it and reduce the number to 26. If you have a profile picture, one can add over here. I have my profile picture, it is in uploads. Click on it. For adding profile picture, it is better if one can add an elements. Click on circle, element, just cross check the previous created file. So this is how we will put the image, the profile photo. So reduce the size of this element. Now go to uploads. My photo is already there, it is already uploaded. Click on it and just drag it inside this frame. increase the size. Click on position. Okay, let's increase the size and we can just drag it inside. Yeah, click on it and just reduce the size. Now let us add a text box. Press T on your keyboard. The paragraph text box appears. Just type your name. We'll type it in all caps. We'll change the font to Atom Bold so that it looks good. Drag it over here near the photo and just reduce the size. The name is now clearly visible. We can select any font name, but preferably something which is bold. Now duplicate this text box. Click on this plus sign. Just click on the text box and just click on this plus sign. It's duplicated. Just bring it below the name. Let us cross-check the image. Click on it. Type @ and type your name. You can handle name. Just increase the percentage so that one can clearly see what is typed. Yeah, there is a spelling mistake. Now it is correct. Just align it. Let us type it in small font. Align it. Click on it and change the font name to something light. I'll select this Abia Light because we want our handle name to be in bold so that one can see it, everyone can see it. Align this. Now let us duplicate this text box again and to add a quote. Duplicate. One can type any quote. I will type beware of your surroundings. It could be dangerous. Canva is showing there is a spelling mistake in dangerous. Just click on it, right click and select the correct spelling. On surroundings, just click on it, right click your mouse, select the correct spelling. Let us check our original image. It's over here. Let us reduce the size. No, we cannot reduce it. Just go back. Just bring it down and just increase it, the size of the text box, so it is visible. Align it. Now duplicate the text box again. Move it towards your right. Oh, it got deleted. Duplicate it again. Double click, press delete. Now just type 3 dots. And towards right so that the edge of it is aligned with this text box. Make this 3 dots bold so that it will be visible. And we reduce the size. Add space between the dots. Let us put a verification mark. Verification mark is this tick. go to elements, type verified, press enter. So one can select any image. So I am selecting this. Yeah, it is a pro version. You can select any image. Just we need a tick mark. It shows the signs of verified. Click on it. Reduce the size. And just place it towards the right of your name. Let us see the original image. Yeah, here it is reduced. Now click the blurry image, click on it once, go to transparency, increase the transparency to 37. Now the quote will be clear. We reduce the percentage of the image. So this is the blurry effect. This is the final image. Of course, it is the slight difference only in the size of the box that can be adjusted. So guys, this is how one can create a blurry glass effect. That's all.